Racing just started. We have Trinity Moon. Break quickly at the start. Moving up for the outside. Life is delicious. It's Solomon comes next. Wajalaising. Then followed over by Jen's Joy, Sangano, and Elegancia. Back to the leader. We have Trinity Moon. And on the outside, Life is delicious. It's Solomon comes next. Wajalaising. Then followed over by Jen's Joy, Elegancia, second last, while Sangano now racing in 7 and going along for the first turn. We have Trinity Moon by about 3/4 length lead. Life is delicious in second, then followed over by entry number 3 Trinity, or rather it's a Lemon, and on the outside is Wajalaising, then followed over by Jen's Joy, moving up Elegancia, while Sangano still racing in 7th. Another part turn, we have Trinity Moon by a length and a half, and in second remains Life is Delicious. Then here comes Wajalaising, now coming closer in third. It's a Lemon is down in fourth, then followed by Elegancia, Jen's Joy, Sangano, and they are now entering the home stretch. Trinity Moon, Life is Delicious, Wajalaising is down in third. Next on that is It's a Lemon with about 150 meters more to run. We have Trinity Moon, this time by about 3 lengths. Life is Delicious in second, Wajalaising still in third, and finally it's Trinity Moon. Life is Delicious, Wajalaising, then comes Elegancia,